£9 for luxury skincare sounds impossible, but that's exactly the price you're paying per item in the Elemis Advent Calendar 2025. Let's unbox every item and see if it really delivers. So here it is. This is this year's Advent Calendar for an Elemis, the Elemis Wonders Advent Calendar. And what's really special about it is that you get 25 days of Advent rather than the 24 that I'm seeing in many other beauty boxes this year. Let's step right in and have a look at the products that we've been given. So I've got the calendar right here in front of me with all the products on top of the boxes, and I'm going to pick out, to begin with, the most impressive items from the box. So bearing in mind, this box is costing currently only, let me check, £225 in the UK, and the value is reported at £690, and that seems really pretty amazing to me. So we are looking at a kind of a third. You're getting to try all of these products at just a third of the full price. And for me, I've actually had this Advent Calendar. I think this is the third year in a row I've bought it because I honestly believe it is such amazing value, and Elemis is one of my top favourite beauty brands. There's lots of products in this year's box that I haven't seen before, and that means they weren't in the last 2 years' boxes either. But like I say, let me step through, pick up the most impressive ones to begin with, and you'll start to get a feel for what it is we're getting and what great value actually it is we're getting inside this box. So I'm going to kind of go straight to the centre where the biggest items are. And so box number 20 held this one, and this is an absolute gem. This is Elemis's Pro-Collagen Marine Cream, and this is an absolutely fantastic everyday face cream certainly for the mature skin. It's really, really beautiful and amazing, and this is, I think this is a full size. It's a 50ml pot, so that is fantastic value. After that, we'll go to this other really large one. This is something I've never seen before. It's called Mayfair No. 9 Body Balm. And that is a full-size tube. We've got a 100ml tube here of this body balm. The scent of this is lavender, geranium and eucalyptus, so I can't wait to give that a go. Next up, we have what was hiding away in box 25 for Christmas Day, and that is the Pro-Collagen Future Restore Serum. And this, I think, is a brand new product. I haven't seen or tried this one before, so I'm really looking forward to trying that out. That's an amazing 30ml container there, so that looks really, really nice. And they've saved that one for Christmas Day if you are opening your calendar day by day. So we've already got 2 items from the Pro-Collagen popular range. So let me see what other Pro-Collagen products we have here as well. So we have the 28ml bottle of the Pro-Collagen Marine Moisture Essence, which I have used numerous times, and that's a really, really lovely kind of item to put on before your moisturiser. We have also got the Pro-Collagen Eye Revive Mask, which I'm not sure about eye masks, to be honest. I'm not quite sure what and how to do with those. I'm assuming you could kind of just put that on like an eye cream at night time. But there we have it. That is a small container of eye mask. Also from the Pro-Collagen Eye range, we have an eye cream. So again, that's something I'm going to have to kind of investigate, is what is the difference between an eye mask and an eye cream? Also from the Pro-Collagen range, we have not just 1 or 2, but 3 different cleansing balms. And I'm absolutely thrilled about this because the original one in the middle there, that has been a long time favourite of mine. I absolutely love a cleansing balm to use at night time to take off my makeup. And the green fig is absolutely gorgeous. I use that all the time, this green fig one here, so that's wonderful. And as a special bonus for me, this cherry one on top, I've kind of had my eye on that for quite some time, but I haven't gotten around to trying it yet. So this is really fun to actually have the cherry cleansing balm now that I can actually try at nighttime for my nighttime cleanse. I can't wait for that. And we are still going with the Pro-Collagen range. Another product I haven't used before is a toning mist. And I've got to say, I love using mists on my face, so I can't wait to try that. I would actually much rather use a mist, I think, than a lotion with like cotton wool and all of that mess that entails. So I can't wait to try that one. And I don't think we're done yet with the Pro-Collagen. No, we've got a couple of night creams here and another. No, gosh, it's never ending. So we've got 2 night creams here from Pro-Collagen. We've got the Overnight Matrix and what's the other one called? We've got the night cream and the Overnight Matrix. Now, they are super fantastic. I love an Elemis night cream, so they are going straight on my dressing table for nighttime use. And still going with the Pro-Collagen range. I mean, can you believe how many Pro-Collagen items we've actually got here? We have got also the Marine Cleanser, which I'm not sure if I've used that one before. I can't quite think. Maybe I have, I'm not sure. And we've also got this one, which is a Glow Boost Exfoliator. So there we have cleansing balms, we've got face washes, we've got exfoliators, we've got mists, we've got eye creams and eye masks, we've got the collagen cream, we've got this new serum. So I mean that is just fantastic. I don't think I can even look here. I try to show you. This is all the Pro-Collagen items that you are getting, and we are not done yet. That is actually super, super amazing value because I love the Pro-Collagen range. Okay, so we have a number of items left to go through. Let's go for the super. Okay, so we've got a couple of items from the superfood range. No, 2, 3, 4. No, I've missed one from the Pro-Collagen. My goodness. I've not seen this one before, so I didn't realise it was Pro-Collagen. It was kind of turned around. Pro-Collagen Rose Marine Cream. Gosh, fantastic. I love the collagen range, and I also love the rose and the fig, and I'm looking forward to trying the cherry. So here, I haven't tried this one before, the rose cream. So that's fantastic, and I think that does complete the Pro-Collagen lineup, I think. All right. So now we've got the superfood range. It's also really lovely, really fun. For me, the superfood range has got a bit more of a kind of a youthful kind of vibe about it. I don't know if that's intended or if that's just my sort of interpretation. But we've got these 4 creams here, which I'm going to have to check. I can't see what they are. We have Superfood Day Cream here. Then we have Glow Priming Moisturiser, which I have used before, and it is very, very glowy. So if you're going to use this, I suggest you exercise caution and don't go too mad with it. And what else? We have Midnight Facial. That is a really, really nice night cream. It smells absolutely delicious. I love that one. And then we have also a Glow Cleansing Butter. So again, another thing for the cleansing stand at night, and that looks really, really lovely too. There is also a mist, so I don't know, this is a brand new product to me. I haven't used this one before. We've got a 4-in-1 facial mist from the Superfood range. So like I said, I absolutely love a mist, so I'm looking forward to trying that. I just need to find out what the kind of goal of that is. I'm guessing that is going to be some sort of moisturizing and toning all in one mist, but I need to go away and look that up actually. Okay, so we still have some more products to go. We have, what's this one here? Okay, this is actually, I've missed this one. This is also Superfood. Here we've got Superfood Facial oil. I'm not such a big fan of facial oils because my skin used to be a little bit on the oily side, so I can find these a little bit too much for me. But I have used this before, and it makes a nice alternative at night time to a night cream if you're into your oils. Or of course you can just stick an oil anywhere. It says facial oil, but you know, sometimes it's nice to stick oil on your nails or your dry skin, or on your, well, you know, wherever wherever. So there we go, that's another part of the superfood range. Okay, and that leaves us with we have one shower cream here. Actually, it's the Frangipani shower cream, which I love the Frangipani scent, so I look forward to using that in the shower. And then we have got 3 items to finish up with, and they are all from, it looks like they're from the Dynamic Resurfacing range, although no, maybe the papaya one isn't. So we've got this, which I've never seen before. This is the papaya enzyme peel. So if you're into kind of peels on your skin to kind of get some clarity, remove those dead skin cells, then that is a great one to try. Similarly, we have here the Dynamic Resurfacing Facial Pads and the Dynamic Resurfacing Facial Wash, and I believe these are kind of like acid cleansers and toners, and that's obviously for removing dead skin to refresh and kind of revitalize your skin. So there we have it. The only item I haven't actually sort of picked up so far is the cleansing cloth, which came with one of the cleansing balms. So we have it still in its wrapper here. We've got a nice Elemis cleansing cloth, which is always a nice addition to the bathroom if you're collecting cleansing cloths from all the other advent calendars out there. For example, the Liz Earle advent calendar I've just reviewed, that is coming with cleanse and polish and its own cleansing cloth. So if you're interested in products like that, you might want to go and have a look at my other video. Otherwise, that is everything that we get in the Elemis Advent Calendar, and I hope you agree with me that an average price of £9 per item is an absolute steal, and Elemis is one of the absolute top luxury skincare brands out there. If you haven't tried it and you can afford to treat yourself to the Advent Calendar this year, I completely recommend it. I mean, all these products here are gonna last me a good couple of months at least, so you're certainly going to get your money's worth, and there's a really good spread of types of products here. Lots of cleansers, lots of moisturizers, night creams, treatments, and everything to kind of give you your full skincare regime, all kind of in this one incredible box. Thank you so much for watching. If you like my makeup today and you are interested in makeup products, then you can head over to my Estee Lauder video where I demonstrate the Christmas Estee Lauder Blockbuster box, and I'm wearing the makeup from that video as well. So thank you for watching and hope to see you again soon. Bye for now.